Hello, my name's Derek, and today we're going to be going over adding model views and protection and the different type of projection angles for drawings in SolidFace. So let's get right into it. So as you can see, I'm at the start. I'm going to go ahead and select New Drawing. I'm going to select Insert 3D Model. Hopefully I have my model prepared by this point. I'm going to use my trusty cube. Open, and I'm just going to drop my front. Drop an isometric. I'll select multiple first. Front, isometric, top, and left. And I want wireframe with hidden lines. I'll hit apply. I'll hit OK. And there you go. Alright, I like that. So, now, let's say you want to have a detail view. Maybe you want to detail this chamfer right here. Right? Well, if you scroll over here and to the right of general scale, text, line dimension, point dimension, it says detail view. Now yours will most likely actually say insert 3D view. So if it's insert 3D view, the default button there is insert 3D view, and what it will do is it'll insert another projection of your part. But what's cool though is for here you can select your regular wireframe part. You do a simple, and we'll just do like an isometric. I'll hit apply. There, and now I can see my part as it looks in SolidFace when I'm designing it. So it's pretty neat. So that way you can have the wireframe, because wireframe is pretty easy. It's visually simple. There's not a whole lot of clutter to it. Then you can also have the fully formed 3D model in your drawing, which is nice. All right. Well, if that's not enough for you, well, if you want a projection view, all right. So I go and I select this part right here. And I select projection view. Now I can drag my cursor over whatever direction to get my projection view. And I can do it for stuff like this isometric one too. So in order to do that, you select your part first until this red outline box appears, knowing that it's been selected, and then you go to projection view and you click that button and you can drag to any side. So see, even with the isometric models, you can still do a projection view. So I'm going to hit escape on that and escape again. The last thing I want to go over is section view. Okay. So I'm going to select my part. I'll select this one. I'll select section view. And it's telling me alright. Yes. It's basically what you do with your section view. Alright. Select your part, section view. Alright. I want to do that, and I'm going to hit enter. Okay, so check it out. I'm going to do wireframe with hidden lines. How about all wireframe? So I'll drag it up here so we can see. So this dashed line denotes the section. Basically, this part was cut in half. Okay, and we're looking at it. If I drag this projection up, we're looking at that half of the part. Now you can do this to the left, to the right. If you do it to the left or the right, generally it shows the split view of that part. Same with any of these. If you do it to the right, it'll look basically like it's the inside of the part, like the part's been cut in half, which it has by your section view, and so on. And you can play with that and kind of figure out how that works based on your needs. But that's useful for showing the thickness of a part or the fact that a part's solid. And then the last one is your detail view. Alright, so I'm going to select my part down here. I'm going to select detail view. And it's telling me to select a center point. So how about right there? And as you can see, as I drag my cursor away, I can select a circle. And then, that's actually, I'll go to this, I'll hit apply. let's do a scale of 2 point. So I can drag that away. I can mess with the scale to make it bigger, and that's called a detail view. So as you're looking at on a print, this may be a really small detail to see, but if you do your detail view and you blow it up to 3 or 4 times the size, it's easier to see. Alright, so that concludes our video for today. Just a simple way to show you how to put in a couple new views that maybe you weren't aware of until now. Thank you for joining me today. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our videos if you want to stay in the know, and thank you for watching.